Jeremy just caught a fatty perch. Nice. Second fish of the day. Having a good time. You like it, buddy? And you got to thank Trey for setting the hook and starting the process, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Good job.
Can you? Oh, I got a bite.
Let it take it. Let it take it.
I was reeling it in.
Okay, then let it take it. You'll feel when it hits. Ask your mom.
I know it pulled my rod.
And there are decent sized bass in here, so they're all low. So there's a possibility it could be anything. Bam! Gotcha! Dej just caught another perch on an earthworm using Jeremy's little kid rod from Bass Pro Shops. Third perch of the day. There's got to be a school there. There's got to be a school.
Hey, buddy!
Oh. Just happy to catch something.
Guys, come here! This guy got another one!
Got another one with your rod, but guess what? You couldn't catch it because you were all the way over there. So Dejan had to bring it in.
That would have been the same or
Yeah.
different?
Same type of fish, probably a perch.
But a different fish.
You can't satisfy these kids. We're not catching fish, and all of a sudden we're catching them, and that's not the right species for them.
Battery low. Move, let me take a picture of it.
You have to weigh your hand.
Put it on it.
Nope. What's your turn? He's gasping for air.
All right, put it in there.
How do
It's
you-
fine. Just put it like